So today I'm going to explain the flamethrower exhaust on my Chieftain here, show you guys how it's wired in, and basically how it works. So to get the flamethrower to work, you have to basically reroute the positive wire from the coil pack up to a switch under the dash. So the wires come back down from the switch. One runs back to the coil pack, the other one runs under the gas tank, and then I wire off the wire to both sides of the bike, and I have a ground on there. But when I take my bags off, I just pull my side covers, just disconnect my bag, disconnect the connector I added in for the flamethrower, and then on the back spark plug I actually already disconnected it, but you would disconnect the spark plug, pull off the bag, and then let me show you guys how I wire this. So here you see the normal connector for the bag. This added connection is for the flamethrower, which I run along the bottom with zip tie anchors, and I've got the small coil pack from Hot Licks Exhaust mounted to the back of the bag. It fits in there pretty good. And here is basically the spark plug wire. It goes to the spark plug, so it gets spark in the back. So here's how I ignite the gas coming out of the tailpipe, is with the spark plug. The kit comes with the little bung for it. You have to drill a hole and have it welded in. You do it about 8 inches from the rear of the tailpipe. On this exhaust I had baffles that went to here. Now typically it won't work as well with the baffles that long, so I had the baffle shortened to about here. So it works good that way. Nice good flame out the back. If you want longer flames, you have to actually put I think a fuel nozzle here or injector here, and the spark plug goes about 4 inches from the tip, and then you can do about 3 to 5 foot flames, but I don't really want to do that on this bike. So when I want to shoot flames out of the exhaust, I rev the engine to about 3,000 to 4,000 RPM. I hit the button, which cuts a spark to the cylinders and ignites both spark plugs, one in each tailpipe. And as I'm hitting the button, I go full throttle to inject more gas into the exhaust system to get a bigger flame. And that's how it works. It's a little hard when I'm riding because I have to ride one-handed, and I have to remember to let off the throttle before I let off the button. Otherwise, when I let the button off and I had the throttle on, it gets a little jerky, especially with the 116. But I've learned to time it pretty well, so it's not too much of a problem. And that is how I shoot flames out of the exhaust of my Chieftain. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Later.